Today is 11 January 2020. Today is also my first video of 2020 and I've got some news. A year ago I made myself a promise to reach a goal. The entire 2019 I spent working towards that goal. I can't share too much of what I'm gonna do just yet, but I will. I just need 17 days. I recently reconnected with an old friend that's busy with something very interesting, and today we're gonna go check out what he's doing. Walking up to Team Trinity's headquarters now, and look who I found.
Hey buddy,
Vamos.
hoe lyk dit?
Goed en self. Kom in. I'm here with Roan. I'm here with, yeah, that's fine. He is the founder of Team Trinity South Africa. Yes. I know you from high school and you're always passionate about electronics.
Yeah.
How did you get to the point of quitting your job and building drones?
Definitely a big factor for me is that I've always been very passionate about creating and designing, innovation, and with 3D printing becoming so much more available over the last couple of years, as well as development in drone parts. We
3D printed over here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Awesome, bro.
That took designing from being able to just design something on CAD and to make it like you can have a product in a day or two physically in your hand.
Is it your design?
Yeah.
Did you design it? Check this. What are you doing here?
What we're looking at is this is a slicing program that is being used to generate code from the design that I made, and that is being printed. Slicing program that is used to generate the code that the 3D printer uses to print.
Basically, he draws it out on his computer and he prints it out over there. He builds racing drones, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna take my GoPro, which is the GoPro Hero Session 5. Is that a good GoPro to put on a drone?
Oh, it's a great GoPro to put on a drone.
It's so small and it's small, it's light, it's small,
and great quality.
And great quality, bro. So, can I see what your drones look like?
So this is Ghost. He is a very lightweight, very compact drone that I've built specifically for being obviously as light as possible and as quick and nimble as possible in the air.
Okay, so besides putting on this GoPro mount, what else do you need to do to make it work?
I have an updated version of my design for my frame. There's so many versions of this, but this is printed carbon fiber. It's a composite, it's not pure, but it is quite strong, a lot more than the most plastics that you print from, and this has proven to be very durable.
How fast can you fly your drone?
These guys tend to go over 200 k's an hour.
200,
yeah. Don't keep it for too long, the battery power isn't there. ESCOM fails us in the air as well. ESCOM. So we're going to modify this and put the GoPro mount on. So this is mainly my design, a two-part design for very easy swapping an entire control system for a drone between one to another motor and speed controller part, which is the part that uses quite a lot of power, where these parts don't run on high voltage but or higher voltage.
So that's the brain.
New design, it's a bit bigger.
Check how far this Gopro mount is printed. Look how cool this looks when it's finished from the printer.
When you just can't trust it, you gotta upgrade.
Yes. Okay, we are heading out now and we're gonna fly the drone. I think it's gonna look epic, bro. Okay, he is setting up. There. Whoa, it's so fast! Check what Rowan sees. How fast are you going?
Oh, not too fast at the moment. I would say maybe 60, 70. Very limited space. You don't really want to go fast. That was close.
Oh man, he almost flew into my tripod over here. Okay, so more about your business. What exactly do you do?
I create and I innovate. I encourage others and I help other people to have their ideas that they bring, to develop that, to create a product, and how to design that and to put something feasible and tangible in front of them. So that would be CAD designing, 3D printing, and also building drones and developing products.
And how do people get in contact with you?
Well, they can contact us on Team Trinity SA at gmail.com or Team Trinity SA on Facebook. Also cell phone number 072 864 0820.
I'll link everything below. Can we do one more trick?
Sure.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Then I guess I'll see you in the next one.